Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is the DPac tools and tips. So, well, what the hell? This is my first video. I've been procrastinating for a long time to make a video, and here we go. The Milwaukee Packout Compact Toolbox. Another great accessory to the Packout system. I have a lot of their boxes. I'm really impressed. They're made for TTI Corporation, whoever is the one who owns Milwaukee. They're made for them by a company called Keter, the ones that make the Keter tables. And I love them Keter products too. So this is just another product that comes from them, and it has their interlocking cleat system here. Great latch. Bottom cleats for the bottom interlock, the locking mechanism release. Has a good, nice little handle that kind of snaps up there, so it doesn't be pretty impact resistant. IP65 water resistant. I'd never say waterproof, but has a nice little tray inside with the place there. It's ergonomic on your hand. You can carry anything in there. Has a nice little divider system. Fits in there pretty nice. Charger fits in there perfectly for the 12 volt. Put the riveter in there laying down because I want the tray, but it'll stand up in there nice too, and be able to shut. But like I said, I want the tray. So there it is. You can put a tick on here. It'll hold 75 pounds. It has 10 by 13 by 16. And yeah, let's see. I like the way that it does this. It'll lock onto my moving tray, the moving dolly there. Or it'll lock onto the rolling toolbox or any other Packout accessories. So that's a nice thing. They sell for $60, and I think it's money well spent. If you're gonna have the Packout system, better get you one or two of those. I already got a couple. If you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, I guess, that's what they say. Thanks a lot. Oh, and all these products you see here, they're mine. I bought them. Nobody sponsors me, and I just say what I think is on my mind. All right.